Assalamu alaikum. My name is Amira and I'm an eco-warrior. Allah created the earth and entrusted us to look after it. That means we have the responsibility of keeping the earth green and beautiful. Today I'm going to talk about air pollution and what we can do to help the environment. The earth is surrounded by a blanket of air made up from various gases. This is called the atmosphere. The atmosphere helps protect the earth and allows life to exist. Without it, we would be burnt by the intense heat of the sun during the day or frozen by the very low temperatures at night. Any additional gas, particles or odours that are introduced into the air either by nature or human activity to distort this natural balance and cause harm to living things can be called air pollution. Things that pollute the air are called pollutants. Examples of pollutants include nitrogen oxides, carbon monoxides, hydrocarbons, sulfur oxides, usually from factories, sand or dust particles, and organic compounds that can evaporate and enter the atmosphere. Air pollutants are dangerous things that make the air unclean. They come in the form of gases or particles. It is estimated that we breathe 20,000 litres of air each day. This means the more polluted the air is, the more we breathe into our lungs dangerous chemicals. Air can be polluted both indoors and outdoors. Tobacco and other kinds of smoking are examples of indoor air pollution. Sick building syndromes is a health condition related to pesticides, insecticides and chemicals we use at home and offices. Air pollution affects kids more than adults because for their body size, kids breathe more air and spend more time playing outside. More hazardous pollutants are discharged into the air each year than are released to surface water, groundwater and land combined. Motor vehicles can produce more air pollution than any other human activity. One full commuter bus can mean 40 less cars going around your neighbourhood. Air pollution can result from both human and natural actions. Natural events that pollute the air include forest fires, volcanic eruptions, wind erosion, pollen dispersal, evaporation of organic compounds, and natural radioactivity. Pollution from natural occurrences is not very often. Now that we know a little bit about air pollution, what can we actually do about it? Encourage your family to use the bus, train or bike when commuting. Use energy wisely, so make sure you use light, water, heat like boilers and the kettle only when you need to, as little as possible. This is because lots of fossil fuels are burnt to generate electricity, and so if we can cut down the use, we will also cut down the amount of pollution we create. Recycle and reuse things. This will minimize the dependence of producing new things. Remember, manufacturing industries create a lot of pollution, so if you can, reuse things like shopping bags, clothing, paper and bottles. It can help. I hope you learned a thing or two about pollution, and remember, you can be an eco-warrior too. See you next time. Bye!